What if your identity was stolen? Not your password, but you. Your fingerprint, your face, your voice. Unlike passwords, you can't reset your eyes or change your DNA. So what happens when biometric data, the very traits that define you, fall into the wrong hands? That's the challenge we face as biometric systems become the backbone of modern security. In this video, we'll uncover the security risks, ethical dilemmas, and privacy battles shaping the future of biometric technology. Welcome to this important discussion on biometric security risks and ethics. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify key security vulnerabilities in biometric systems, understand common attack methods and their consequences, examine ethical and privacy issues in biometric data collection and use, and discuss legal and policy frameworks designed to protect biometric information. Stay with us till the end, because you'll learn not just how biometrics can fail, but how to build safer and more ethical systems. Biometric data is unlike any other personal information. It's permanent. You can change your password, but not your fingerprint or iris. This permanence gives biometrics immense security value, yet also makes them a prime target for hackers. Once stolen, biometric data can be misused indefinitely for identity theft, surveillance, or fraud. In 2015, for instance, the U.S. Office of Personnel Management breach exposed over 5.6 million fingerprints. A reminder that no system is invincible. Biometric systems face threats on several fronts: physical, digital, and procedural. Spoofing attacks occur when an imposter uses fake biometrics, such as silicone fingerprints or high-resolution photos, to deceive the system. Low-cost sensors without liveness detection are especially vulnerable. Replay and template attacks happen when stolen biometric templates are intercepted or extracted from databases and replayed to gain unauthorized access. Cross-matching and data linkage create risks when the same biometric identifiers are used across multiple platforms, exposing a person's entire digital footprint. Insider threats arise when individuals with privileged access intentionally or unintentionally compromise user privacy. Defending biometric systems requires multi-layered protection. Liveness detection ensures the biometric input comes from a real person, not a replica or recording. Encryption and template protection prevent raw biometric images from being stored, instead converting them into secure, unreadable templates. Multi-factor authentication combines biometrics with PINs or tokens to strengthen defenses against single-point failures. Regular audits and compliance with standards such as ISO IEC 24745 help maintain strong security practices throughout the system's lifecycle. Beyond technical risks lie deeper ethical dilemmas. Biometric systems often operate in environments where consent is unclear, such as public surveillance. This raises an important question. Do individuals still control their identity when machines constantly analyze their traits? Privacy advocates warn that unchecked biometric use can lead to mass surveillance, profiling, or discrimination, especially when AI misidentifies certain demographic groups more frequently. The storage and sharing of biometric data also raise questions about ownership. Once your biological identity is digitized, who truly controls it? Around the world, lawmakers are responding to these challenges. The EU's General Data Protection Regulation treats biometric data as sensitive personal information, requiring explicit consent and strict security controls. Countries like India, under the Aadhaar Act, and Nigeria under the NDPR, have introduced rules that restrict biometric collection and require data protection safeguards. In the United States, state laws such as Illinois' Biometric Information Privacy Act allow individuals to sue companies that misuse biometric data. Yet enforcement remains uneven, leaving many biometric systems operating in legal gray areas. The future of biometrics depends on trust. Organizations must design systems that balance innovation with responsibility. This means embedding privacy principles such as data minimization, anonymization, and ethical AI auditing into every stage of system development. Biometric technologies should empower users, not monitor them. When designed responsibly, they can deliver security without sacrificing personal freedom. Let's recap. Biometric systems, though powerful, are not invulnerable. We explored threats such as spoofing, template theft, and privacy violations, along with strategies to mitigate them. We examined ethical concerns and reviewed global efforts to regulate biometric data. Ultimately, secure biometrics depend not just on technological strength, but on the values and safeguards that guide their use. If this video helped you understand the real challenges behind biometric security, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. and tap the notification bell to stay with us on the Science of Biometrics journey.